going on, guys? It's Jason, the Arizona Desert Fisherman. Today I have my first ever walleye mystery tackle box. So we're going to get into this here and see what we get. Dig down a little bit. We have the mystery tackle box sticker, the scratch off prize card, $4.99 coupon card, the Dibble Digest, and the card here. So we'll get into it. The first thing that's on here is the Lucky Shad by Strike King. That's pretty cool. Dives down to 8 feet. So that's nice. The next thing is from Northland Tackle. This is their Impulse rigged 6-inch night crawler. I've been wanting to try out these walleye rigs like this, so this will be really nice to try. Walleye will be biting here pretty shortly. It's starting to get a little cooler at night and in the morning. Next one from Vicious Fishing is the VRC 90D. The VRC is the crankbait series. That's definitely a different looking crankbait. Never seen one that looked like that. A lot of detail, green and orange and yellow. Color is red fire tiger. So that's cool. It says that it's a banana shaped bait and it can dive up to 12 feet. So that's cool. The next thing is from Stopper Lures. See if I can find it right here. And this is their Hyper Tails. You can see it's got a nice jig head on there. Doesn't say on here how heavy the jig head is, but if I had to guess, I'd say at least a ½ ounce. About 1.5 to 2 inch long grub spinner tail, so that's pretty cool. The next one from Bee Fish and Tackle. This is called the Moxie. So there's what that looks like. Let's see. It's almost like a minnow bait mixed with a grub bait. And it's got all these flanges on it there. Flaps. That's going to put off a lot of action in the water, and I like that pink and white color. The last thing here from Daiichi is their awesome walleye octopus hook. Says that it's a D16-4. Not a real big hook. So these would be more for using live minnows and stuff like that. So guys, overall, the walleye mystery tackle box, I have to say I'm pretty impressed about it. You know, I don't have any walleye baits. You know, and like I said, I've been wanting to try one of these walleye rigs here like this. So yeah, I am very, very happy with this box. Thank you guys very much for watching today. I'll see you next time.